It is time for some beautiful Dollar Tree DIYs, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 4 different spring/Easter looks for vignettes. If you don't know what those are, you've probably seen them and you may even have them in your house. Maybe you just didn't know what the term or the name of it was, but it's basically just little centerpieces of decor that you may put in your kitchen island. You can use it as a centerpiece on your dining room table and your entryway. I've even seen it on ottomans and coffee tables. So a lot of different beautiful places to put this display. And the very first one I'm going to share with you guys, I spent 0 money on because I already had all of these things lying around. Had this beautiful wicker basket, and I just took some greenery that I had, and the other greenery with the bunny ears and the bunny tail actually was another DIY that I did earlier on in this spring. Here for you guys, I'll link it down below. And I just arranged all of these little decor pieces, my everyday stuff, into this little wicker basket. And I'm showing you guys just different ways of doing this. This is more simple, just green and cream colors, keeping it very raw, making it kind of look like, outdoor elements, and not really introducing too many colors other than just the greenery in this. So I really love how this turned out. It's really simple, has that little bunny element, so you know that it's springtime. And I'll link that DIY down below for you guys. And then those are just LED candles that I turn on with a little remote that I got off of Amazon. And that is the first one. So spent 0 money on it, and I love that one. The second one, we're going to use some of the same elements, but now I'm going to get more into like spring pastel colors for this. I'm using that same basket, the same little greenery plant that I have, and I'm going to take some Dollar Tree garland with these beautiful eggs. I love these eggs. They're so gorgeous. I don't know why I don't use them in more DIYs, but they're stunning. I did not want them on the garland strand, so I just cut it off, and I started putting the little eggs into the greenery itself. I'm not going to hot glue or do anything or attach them in any way like that, because again, that is still my everyday decor, and once Easter and spring is over, I'll remove the eggs and the additional items. Now, this hello sign in pink is actually from the 99-cent store. It was in a recent haul. I'll also link that video down below for you guys, because there are quite a few things from that haul that make an appearance in this video. I'm showing you some other options by adding some more Dollar Tree floral, just so that you can see what it looks like. And this little wood bunny is also from the 99-cent store. And I just liked the way all the pastel colors just work together and how simple this little vignette turned out. Now, truth be told, this third vignette is not really in theory a true vignette. It's more like a decor piece, but I love this one so much I had to include it in this spring DIY video for you guys. It's Dollar Tree again, but you can take this element that I'm putting together and put it inside of a vignette, if that makes sense. So it's a decor within more decor. So I'm taking this everyday basket that I had, this wire basket, and I'm filling it with the chalk eggs from Dollar Tree, probably some of the best spring decor I've ever seen them put out. I actually bought those last year, maybe the year before, and I've been holding on to them, and this is exactly what I've always wanted to do with them, put them in a wire basket. And then I just took some Dollar Tree Baby's Breath, plucked them in some little random spots. And how beautiful is this little piece? I put it in my entryway, but again, you can also put it inside a vignette and add more of that pastel color and really give your home a spring look. Love the way that this one turned out. And also, by the way, I'll link all the materials that I used for each one down below. Now let's get into the very last one. This is probably the most true vignette style that is in this video. I'm showing you guys my everyday one that I actually have on my kitchen island. That is where I display mine. I'm just showing you the everyday decor that goes in it. But now we're going to take all of that out and turn it into my Dollar Tree spring masterpiece. I am just taking this Dollar Tree vine leafy stuff, and I'm filling it at the bottom just to give it some depth and so that you just have some greenery poking through. And then you're gonna see I'm building this little stand for my bunny. So these willow wreaths are from Dollar Tree and the canvas is from Dollar Tree as well. And I use that in between the willow wreaths just to give the bunny a place to stand on, or else he would have sunk way to the bottom of the tray. So that's why I built it that way. And then as you can see, I put the bunny in the middle and then surrounded it with some Dollar Tree little moss looking rocks, or I don't really know what those are called. And then I take that same hello sign from the 99-cent store, I take the spring sign, which is also from the 99-cent store, and then I take some Dollar Tree florals that look like hydrangeas to me. Comment down below if that's right or what, but they look like hydrangeas, and I plucked them off of the little bouquets from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to go with pink and white, and so I'm just kind of placing them where I thought they looked just the prettiest. And yeah, I really love the extra pop of pink. I think it really helped this whole piece out, because if you were to take the pink hydrangeas out, I think it would have just looked a little too plain. So it's really amazing how one little color can amp something up. Now we're going to take the same Dollar Tree garland, and this time I'm not going to cut this one up because I am going to actually use it as a garland. So I'm just using it to trim the front of the vignette, and I use just some regular old tape because, again, I use this tray for my everyday vignette, so once spring is over I'll take all this stuff off and put in my everyday decor. And that is it, you guys. I hope that you loved this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and I will see you guys really soon for another Dollar Tree video. Bye guys.